Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing fantastically well. So one of the things I see a lot of on Discord channels is everybody asking for payout proof, how much you're paying your traders, how fast they're paying, etc. Now the reality is a lot of prop firms do share this information. There's also the confidentiality side of things. You can't share all of your clients' data as well as payout information. It's only when you actually have that acknowledgement with them and their permission can you then go and start sharing that one and doing interviews, etc. So how can we tell how much a prop firm is paying out and to all of their traders? Well, there's a new feature on Prop Firm Match. Effectively shows all the payouts of the prop firms who have signed up and given that information and data sharing with them. Now, it's not every firm right now. It's only a new feature that's just launched, but we can see this is going to grow over the new weeks and months, and hopefully we'll have all the prop firms sharing their realistic data and we can see how much they're actually paying out to traders. Now, this feature is available on the website. You can go and actually click on it and see how much people are paying out to the traders. Also, geographical regions, so we can see where it's going through America, Europe, Asia, etc., as well as the average payout times on a sliding scale. So again, we can see if they're paying out literally within 1 day or up to 3 to 5 days, which some of the prop firms do allow that amount of time, especially some of the bigger payouts. But as the prop firms get bigger and bigger, we expect the payments to be done within 12 to 24 hours. So I'll leave a link in the description to Prop Firm Match. Go and check it out. Yes, there are definite links there where you can get discounts from a lot of prop firms as well. Use them to sign up. They've been going for over 2 years now. Fantastic website, lots of resources and reviews from real traders who have actually got funded with the prop firms. So we can see here on the main page, effectively have a listing of all of the top rated prop firms. And if you click on any one of them, so let's choose FundingPips. And we go over here, we see a new button called Payouts. By clicking on that one, you can go down and actually see how much data has been paid out to traders over the past 30 days. You can also go over the past year. As an example, you can see how big they're paying out. And here we can see they've paid out over $66 million in the past year to traders. And looking down geographical regions, we can see the majority of that is within Europe and Asia, and a small proportion into North America. So on this page here, we can see all of the actual firms sharing that information and data. Now we know FundingPips, we can verify that with their Instagram reports. We can see from their Instagram, they often pay out $1.5 to $2.5 million per week. And that's why we can see the sort of total payouts per month in that excess of $5 million. Now, when we start looking at EA markets, funding traders, for example, we can see the prices definitely go down considerably. They're much smaller firms overall. So looking at top one trader, over the past 30 days, they've paid out $136,000 into 78 users in their payouts. We can see, yes, payouts have been going down month on month. That's why you're seeing a payout growth go down. But again, that's all down to the traders and the time of the market. Again, looking into the recent payouts, we can see the actual amounts being paid to a trader. So again, $60 on a $5,000 account is only a 1.2% return. Not massive. And we see the payouts for that one was in around about the 11 days for that payout. Don't know why. Could have been some KYC issues there. But in looking down the rest of them, 15 minutes payouts, 2 days, about an hour. So the payout times is actually pretty good on this particular prop firm. Again, we can scroll through and see lots more information from payouts of traders. So there you have it, a real quick, simple way to go and analyze some of the prop firms that are sharing their data and see who's actually getting paid out, how much they're getting paid out, and actually how long their wait times are. Again, it's not giving any personal information about the traders, no names, etc. Yes, we can see the size of the account and the percentage returns. I think it's just a fantastic way. It's another feature from Prop Firm Match to really prove why they are the single website for the source of truth for all prop firms out there right now. Thanks for watching, and catch you again very soon. Cheers.